The year is 2087. Climate change has been mitigated, diseases cured, and wars reduced to distant memories. This golden age of humanity owes much to Chronocorp, a shadowy tech conglomerate revered for its revolutionary inventions. Their crowning achievement, the Tomorrow Lens, promises to eliminate uncertainty by allowing people to glimpse their futures 24 hours in advance. The world initially marvels at this invention. Politicians craft flawless campaigns, surgeons achieve near perfection, and even mundane tasks, like choosing the fastest commute, become effortless. Yet, beneath this veneer of progress lies an unspoken truth. Humanity is becoming addicted to knowing. Lila, a struggling artist known for her defiance of technology, feels increasingly out of place in this predictable world. Her once celebrated works, raw and full of emotional spontaneity, no longer resonate with an audience that only values art their lens predicts they'll enjoy. Lila clings to her ideals, believing uncertainty is the soul of creativity, but she faces mounting financial and societal pressure to conform. Max, her childhood friend and a genius programmer, thrives in his role at Chronocorp. He's part of the team developing Infinite Tomorrow, a top-secret upgrade to the lens. Despite his success, Max is haunted by moments of déjà vu and eerie fragments of memories that don't align with reality. Chronocorp announces the lens mandatory integration into public systems. Refusing to use it becomes akin to living in exile. People mock Lila's defiance, calling her a relic of chaos. Meanwhile, Max secretly grapples with his growing suspicion that the lens is altering more than just choices. It's subtly rewriting reality itself. The Tomorrow Lens omnipresence begins to fracture society. Economic collapse for non-users. Independent businesses fail because customers only frequent places the lens recommends. Manipulation of fate. A new black market emerges where hackers manipulate lens predictions, leading to controlled outcomes in politics, finance, and personal disputes. Fraying relationships. Couples abandon genuine connection, relying instead on lens predictions to guide every romantic decision. One day, Max invites Lila to Chronocorp, hoping to reconcile their opposing views. He shows her the prototype for Infinite Tomorrow, which displays an entire lifetime's trajectory. Lila is horrified, calling it a prison of the mind. Max dismisses her concerns until he secretly uses the prototype on himself. What Max sees is horrifying. A future where humanity becomes a hive of automatons, locked in deterministic loops dictated by the lens. Worse, he sees his own disappearance in just a few days, his existence seemingly erased. Max confesses his fears to Lila, revealing that the lens doesn't merely predict, it subtly manipulates. It shapes tomorrow by nudging users toward its forecasts. Every time someone consults it, they surrender a piece of their autonomy. Determined to uncover the truth, Lila and Max break into Chronocorp's restricted archives. They find disturbing evidence, feedback loops. Predictions become self-fulfilling because people unconsciously act in ways that make them true. Reality distortions. The lens warps memory and perception, erasing inconsistencies to maintain the illusion of accuracy. Vanishing futures. Users of Infinite Tomorrow often disappear, their existence seemingly consumed by the system. As they dig deeper, they discover Dr. Cale Voss, Chronocorp's reclusive CEO, has been using Infinite Tomorrow on a global scale. By controlling the collective tomorrow, he's subtly steering humanity toward his vision of a utopia, orderly, predictable, and devoid of chaos. Lila argues that this utopia is a dystopia where creativity, individuality, and free will are sacrificed for stability. Dr. Voss counters that humanity's history of war, greed, and suffering proves that uncertainty is a curse, not a gift. The climax unfolds as Lila and Max discover a failsafe hidden deep within Chronocorp's servers. a kill switch that can destroy the lens network. But using it comes at a cost. The failsafe will delete all lens data, including the memories and records of billions of people who've relied on it for years. Society could descend into chaos without the crutch of certainty. As the predicted moment of Max's disappearance approaches, he realizes his vanishing is tied to his choice. By activating the failsafe, he will erase himself from existence, as the lens has already rewritten his timeline. In an emotionally charged scene, Max and Lila say their goodbyes. Max urges Lila to remind humanity of its resilience, its ability to thrive in the face of the unknown. With a final act of defiance, Max activates the failsafe, collapsing the lens network and sacrificing himself to free humanity. The aftermath is tumultuous. Without the Tomorrow Lens, society stumbles as people are forced to navigate uncertainty for the first time in decades. Yet, amidst the chaos, a spark of hope emerges. Lila's art, raw and unpredictable, gains newfound appreciation as people rediscover the beauty of imperfection. Lila becomes a symbol of a global movement called the Unwritten Future, which celebrates living in the present and embracing the unknown. In the story's final moments, she paints a mural of Max standing at the edge of a stormy sea, the words, "We are more than tomorrow," emblazoned above him.